Boost your brain power. Top foods, habits, and exercises for a sharper mind. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University, your go-to space for everything health, wellness, and transformation. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and fascinating organs in your body, your brain. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or simply want to stay mentally sharp as you age, this video is for you. We're covering the best foods, daily habits, and simple exercises to boost your brain power naturally. So, if you're ready to supercharge your mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Section 1. Brain-boosting foods. Let's begin with food, the brain's fuel. Eating smart can literally change the way your mind functions. Here are some powerhouse brain foods. 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3s, which help build brain cell membranes and reduce inflammation. 2. Blueberries. These antioxidant-rich berries protect your brain from oxidative stress and improve memory. 3. Walnuts. They even look like little brains, and they're packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. 4. Dark chocolate. In moderation, this tasty treat improves blood flow to the brain and boosts focus. 5. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and broccoli contain brain-healthy nutrients like folate and vitamin K. Remember, what you eat literally becomes part of your brain, so feed it like it matters. Section 2. Habits for a sharper mind. Next up, habits. Your daily choices shape your brain, just like exercise shapes your body. Let's look at some habits that support long-term cognitive health. 1. Prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep impairs memory, mood, and focus. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. No excuses. 2. Lifelong learning. Challenge your brain with new skills, reading, or learning a language. The brain thrives on novelty. 3. Practice mindfulness. Meditation and deep breathing reduce stress and enhance focus and emotional regulation. 4. Stay socially active. Meaningful connections and conversations stimulate mental engagement and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. 5. Reduce toxins. Limit alcohol, ultra-processed foods, and added sugars. These slow down your brain over time. Section 3. Brain-boosting exercises. Now let's talk about movement. Yes, your brain loves exercise. Here are some powerful ways to keep it sharp and energized. 1. Cardiovascular exercise. Brisk walking, running, or cycling increase blood flow to the brain and support neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells. 2. Brain games. Puzzles, Sudoku, memory apps, and chess improve neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to adapt and grow. 3. Yoga and Tai Chi. These mind-body practices improve concentration, balance, and reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that damages brain tissue. 4. Dancing. Yes, dancing. It combines physical activity, rhythm, coordination, and memory, one of the best brain-body boosters out there. All right, let's recap. Boosting your brain power is as simple as eating smart, staying active, building healthy habits, and keeping your mind challenged. Your brain is not a fixed organ. It can grow, change, and thrive at any age. Feed it well, move your body, sleep deeply, learn continuously. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite brain-boosting habit? Don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness University for more tips on living a longer, sharper, and stronger life.